G'day guys, it's Vulcan Cam Man here. How's it going? Hope you guys are having a wonderful Christmas. So for today, I'm going to do something that I've never done before, and I'm hoping that I can do more of this sort of thing in the future. To keep the Christmas spirit in the air, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ride around town and give out candy canes to people. So like I said, I've never done anything like this before, so I'm completely new to this. But I am planning on doing more of this sort of thing in the future. This is more or less just a test run. So I'm hoping that the fact that my bike's got Christmas decorations over it and I've got a Santa hat on my helmet, I'm hoping that will be an icebreaker, and people will be a bit more open to me giving them candy canes instead of just, having some random biker just come up to them and give them candy canes. They'll be like, what the heck are you doing, mate? So I'm hoping that will help me out in that perspective. Anyway, just stick with me and let's see how this goes. Hey, excuse me. Would you guys like a candy cane? I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today.
She's 9 days old, I might have to eat it.
No worries. Yeah, you too, have a good one. Well, that worked out well. Alright, well, that was a success. We get a few more of those and hopefully we'll be on our way. Hey mate, how's it going? I want to spread the Christmas spirit today. Would you guys like do you want a candy cane? Here you go. No worries.
Thank you.
Oh, do you want one too, mate?
Yeah, thanks.
No worries. Have a good one. Merry Christmas. Alright, that one worked. Alright, yeah, that one worked quite well actually. Let's keep riding around. How about this lady here? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today. Do you want a candy cane? No worries. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you. Hey, excuse me. I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today. Do you want a candy cane? Do you want a candy cane? No worries. Merry Christmas. Have a good one. How about this guy? How about these guys? Excuse me, guys. I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today. Do you want a candy cane?
Sorry, mate?
Do you want a candy cane? I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today.
Oh, awesome. Thanks, man.
No worries. I'll give you one. There you go, mate. Merry Christmas to you. Have a good one. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today. Do you want a candy cane? No worries. Here you go. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry for scaring you. I'm spreading the Christmas spirit today. Do you want a candy cane? No problem. Thank you. Have a Merry Christmas. Thank you. Alright, I think that concludes today's video. I wasn't able to give out all my candy canes, but I gave out a few, so people really appreciate that. Yeah, that worked out a lot better than I expected actually. I was a little bit nervous about this, first time I've ever done something like this. But I really enjoyed it, and I'm definitely looking at doing something similar to it again in the future. So if you guys think that's a good idea, give the video a thumbs up. And comment down below what you think I should do next time as my random act of kindness. Anyway, that concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy it. Yeah, subscribe to me on YouTube and like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas from Vulcan Cam Man. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.